Hello to everyone that's out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another quick video, and this is about Impact Mailing Club. For those that don't know, it's a direct mail program opportunity. It's a way for you to earn money from home. And what we're going to do today is discuss how this program works. We're going to be having these webinars that's going to give people information about Impact Mailing Club, how you can get started, and what to expect when you start this opportunity. And for those that don't know, I've been doing direct mail since 2016, and it has allowed me to earn six figures a year. And I'm excited about this because Impact Mailing Club is one of those opportunities that's here to stay. You have good customer service support. And if you have ever tried anything online or have been struggling with online, trying to earn a full-time income online, this is definitely where you want to be, because offline is really one of the ways that you can start earning, making a full-time income in the shortest amount of time possible. And I am one of those people who was struggling back in 2015 to earn a full-time income. I started online and I really didn't know much about marketing, traffic, and I had put out a ton of money with hardly any results in 2015. And in 2016, I started to look at direct mail. The first program I started was a direct mail postcard opportunity, and that's where I got my earned my first $50,000 offline. So I really liked the idea of doing something like this because I was able to get my family involved. It was easy to do, and I'm not going to say that I started making money right away because it didn't work that way. But what I realized is that the more that I was building up the momentum and sending out information, the better that it got over time. And I was just very consistent at making sure that I was doing what I needed to do to earn a full-time income because I wanted to get out of my daytime job. So that's just a little bit about me and how this worked out for me. And this can work out the same way for you, but it has to be, when you get started, you just have to be very consistent. You have to be willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to follow direction. And not only that, make sure that when you start this opportunity that you're not treating it like a hobby, but you're treating it like a business. I think a lot of people get into opportunities thinking it's going to be like their last opportunity, where you just have to really focus on the opportunity at hand and treat it as a business, okay? So I was very dedicated because I wanted to leave my job and I wanted to see results, and I wanted to be able to share this with my family. Time freedom was very important to me, being able to spend more time with my kids, travel. Those are the things that I wanted to do, and I was able to do that with Impact Mailing Club. So what I'm going to do is pull up the website, and we're going to talk a little bit about Impact Mailing Club, how it works, what to expect when you get started with Impact Mailing Club. And like I said, it's really a simple opportunity. There's some things that you definitely have to have in place when you start Impact Mailing Club. And we're going to talk about that as well. What's important, what you need to have, what you need to focus on. And one of the things that I think a lot of people focus on when it gets to direct mail, that's really not important, okay? You have to really remember that this is a numbers game. Numbers is important when it comes to direct mail, and being able to get your information in front of people who are interested in what you have to offer is very important. So this is one of the websites that I have available to those who join my team. Even if you join my downline, this website is available for you, okay? And what it does here is, this is just a quick video. You can hit the start button. There's a quick video about Impact Mailing Club, how it works, what to expect once you get started. And it's really like, it's just to let people know that it's newbie friendly. So if you have no experience in direct mail, this is something that you've been taking a look at and you don't understand how it works, this video is going to go into details about how the program works, what to expect, the different levels that's available to you. And that's basically it. This is not complicated. And it's something that anybody can do, whether you're a veteran, college student, work from home mom or dad, someone that's just looking for additional income. Okay, and when you come down here, if they want to get started, there's a button here that you can click that will bring people to your form. The form basically tells you how to get started, what you need to do, how much you need to pay based off of what level you come in at. And we're going to discuss that a little bit later. Here is a video that has all of the team bonuses that's included for not just my downline, but also the people who come in under the people in my downline. So it is for my entire team. Whether you join me directly or you join someone else that's a part of my downline, they will have access to the team bonuses. And basically what the team bonuses does is it just allows you to get started and get to moving faster, okay? That's the thing is, you're with these type of businesses, that your first 90 days is very important, and what you do within your first 90 days is very important. So this is just going to give you that extra boost that you're looking for when you come aboard and you get the team bonuses. This is available only in the United States and Canada, but there's more than enough people that are looking for opportunity. Someone asked me the other day, well, will you ever run out of people to speak to? It will never happen. This is not a business that will get saturated. This is not something you have to worry about waking up to and it's no longer around. Direct mail is going to always be here. Post office is always going to be open. There's always going to be people looking for a way to work from home, okay? 200,000 people per day are looking to leave their full-time jobs. They're looking for something that they can do where they can have time freedom, and not only that, financial freedom as well. And the best way to do that is by starting a home-based business. So what we want to do is basically just get this opportunity out to as many people as possible, give them the education about how it works, and let them make a decision based off of the information that you're providing. So here's the steps. You choose your earning potential, you download the letter, and then you check the mail for your first payment. And that's basically the steps that you need in order to get started and to be successful. Here we have some testimonials from people who are making money with this opportunity, and then what you need to get started and what you don't need. So you don't need any type of business experience, no technical skills. You don't need a large network or following. You don't have to talk to strangers. We're going to give you the leads in order for you to start producing some results, okay? You don't have to figure this out alone, but you have to have a desire to get results, motivated to take action, be able to follow simple steps, have at least 1 hour per day and an address with a mailbox. And you can use your home address or a P.O. box, okay? So what we're going to do is go over to the form and just discuss the different levels that we have available. So when you decide to become a reseller of Impact Mailing Club, you'll get a reseller license in the mail. And what that basically says is that you paid your entry fee in order to collect unlimited payments at whatever level you decided to come in at. And the levels that we have is the double diamond, which is $4,000 to get started. We have the diamond, which is $2,000, the sapphire, which is $500, the ruby is $250, and the emerald is $100. Right now, we have a promotion going on where if you come in at the $250 level, you get bumped up to the $500. You come in at the $500, you get bumped up to the $2,000. If you come into the $2,000, you get bumped up to the $4,000. And the reason why the owner is doing this is because a lot of people are out of work and they're looking for a way to earn additional income. This is going to help basically get people started and get them, give them a little incentive to get started faster, okay? So this is like an incentive, and what we're gonna do is basically take advantage of that. It's not something that comes around often, but with a lot of people being out of work right now, this is something that people are looking for, okay? So these are the different levels that you come in at. When you come in, you're going to send out the money and the stamps to the recipients in the boxes below. If you don't want to do that, you can also pay electronically. Most people who are members of Impact Mailing Club have a way for you to pay them electronically if you do not want to go to the post office, if you do not want to stand on a line or have to go to the post office to put this information in the mail. You can pay electronically. These are member-to-member payments. So your payments never touches the hands of Impact Mailing Club. They come directly to you. So when you get started, you can also let people know when they reach out to you that they can pay you through Zelle, Google Pay, Cash App, Venmo, Stripe, Authorize.net, whatever type of online payment you would like to take, you can provide that to the individual and then they can pay you so that they can get started, okay? So when you come at the double diamond level, okay, you're going to be able to get $2,000 on the first level, $1,000 on the second level, okay? The diamond level, you're going to get unlimited $1,000 payments. Now remember, all of these are one-time payments, and then you're able to get paid unlimited for each level that you're at, but not only just the level that you're at, the levels below it. So as an example, if you came in during the promotion at the sapphire level, you're going to get bumped up to the diamond. You're going to be able to get payments at the diamond level, the sapphire, the ruby, and the emerald level. So it's not just for the level that you're at, but also the levels that are below it, okay? So you're able to connect payments from people who come in at any of these levels, and this is unlimited, guys. So you're paying out one time to be able to accept payments over and over and over again, and that's called leverage, okay? You're able to get leverage. Not only that, when people sign up with you and they start to promote the opportunity, you're going to also get paid from the efforts of your team members. So that's why I tell people all the time, to make a ton of money, you're not looking at a ton of people, okay? Especially when you have other teammates that are doing the same thing, duplicating your results, and you're getting paid from their efforts. That's what you want. If you just had a handful of 20 people doing that, that's going to go a long way. And that's really all that you need with this business. So when you join, you're going to also receive a PDF form similar to this. And this is the form that will be connected to your website for people to access your website. And when they're ready to get started, click on this button and they'll be able to print out your form, or at least find out how much it costs so that they can send you a payment either by mail or electronically. And what we want to do is we want to have enough people to come in consistently so that you can start earning a full-time income. Now, with Impact Mailing Club, you're going to get pill and stick labels when you get started, okay? You're going to get training material from the company, marketing material. You're going to get your reseller license. You're going to get information about where to get your stamps from. You're going to get access to the paid Facebook group, okay? When you're part of my team, you also get a customized cover letter. So the letter that goes out about the opportunity, you're going to get it with your information on it so that people can contact you directly when they're ready to get started. The company will send you a cover letter that they use. I highly recommend that everyone gets their own customized cover letter, okay? And then what I'm doing is for people that come in at the sapphire level or higher, we will be sending out additional stamps to those members, okay? So the thing is, with Impact Mailing Club, when you get started, not only do you get payments in the mail, you also get stamps. And what this is going to do is allow you to not have to spend a ton of money on stamps. So you're going to get stamps from each person that joins, along with the fee to get into the program to become a member, okay? And that works for a lot of people because the more stamps you get in the mail, the less money you have to put out for stamps. And what I also love about Impact Mailing Club is in the paid Facebook group, we have over 51 ways that you can advertise this opportunity to get paid. I highly recommend that everyone use at least 2 to 3 marketing methods in order to start building the momentum faster. Because from the time that you actually start working your business, the more methods you use, you're just going to have better conversions and you're going to be able to make money faster. So out of the 51 different ways that they teach you how to market the opportunity, you want to pick 2 to 3 ways, whether it's online or offline, and be as consistent as you can with those 2 to 3 different methods. Okay. So that's basically it with Impact Mailing Club. You know, it's again, a great way. They have a great promotion going on right now. It's a great way to get started and actually start earning a full-time income. But not only that, it's going to allow you to take things to the next level as long as you get connected with the person that sent you here, whoever sent you here, get connected with them. And not only that, make sure that you get the training that you need, you get your cover letter, your website, okay? And then we have a 90-day blitz that we're doing right now where we're gonna be sharing information with people for the next 90 days on how this opportunity works and just educating people on what they can do from home, especially for those who are currently out of work, okay? So I just wanna say thanks to everyone who came out today. We will be posting this on YouTube. It will be on Facebook. For our team, we will go ahead and add this to the chat room. We want people to really, if you're out of work right now, think of a way that you can actually start earning money and not have to worry about going back to work. That was the thing for me. I wanted to really focus on a way that I can earn from home and not have to go back to a 9 to 5. I didn't want to punch a clock anymore. I didn't want someone to have to tell me how much I can make or when I can go to the bathroom or when I can take a vacation, when I had sick time or not. And a lot of people right now are being laid off. They don't know when they're going to get their next payment and they're looking for something that is solid. This is a solid opportunity. They have very good customer service support. The owner is very transparent. She also does webinars as well and shares information about the opportunity and how it worked for her. She's a 6-figure earner and she does mainly postcards. She does not get online. She does not do a lot of online marketing. She just mainly does, you know, she sends her flyers out and that's, she's been very consistent at it. And that has allowed her to make 6 figures a year. So that just goes to show you that you can have success with these opportunities as long as you're in the right program and you take action. So I just want to say thanks for everyone who's who came out this Monday, whoever's viewing this video. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to be a part of this webinar. And we'll be back with you again next week with another webinar about Impact Mailing Club. So thanks so much, guys, and have a great day.